Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is the last part of the 4-part video series on Karaoke Machine designs. We looked at the tone circuit in the first video. In the second part, we looked at the mixers and the pre-amplifier. The third part, we looked at the power amplifier and the power supply circuit. And this is the final one where we're looking at the packaging. Actually, we have built the packaging, so we're just going to showcase the packaging and give you some tips on how to build the packaging. In this final episode, we're going to be singing along to the Oh Holy Night karaoke sound from my niece. So stay tuned and watch to the end. Alright, thanks everyone. Alright, so here's the finished product right there. You have the microphone inputs, microphone 1 and 2. You have the volume controls for each of the microphones. You move over to the tone circuit, the treble, and the bass. Right there is the master volume. And here is our auxiliary input control. The blue light there, the blue LED, the power on indicator. So let's go into this system. On this side, again, you have the microphone jack, the variable resistors for the volume controls, variable resistors for the tone circuit, variable resistor for the master volume, and variable resistor for the auxiliary input. Right on this side, you'll see 2 resistors used for the attenuation as shown in the original circuit diagram. That is used to reduce the volume coming from the auxiliary input, your TV or computer or your phone. There is a LM386 amplifier. You can see the LED indicator is still there, and over there is a power amplifier this side and the full wave rectifier on that side. On the power amplifier, you can notice a heatsink. This is used to absorb the heat from the IC, from the integrated circuit, right there. Again, our transformer is rated at 120 volts, 60 hertz, and the output of the secondary is 10.5 volts at 2.1 amps. So from this, you can easily get your IV, which is like 20 watts, 20 point something watts, sorry, maybe around 21 watts you can get from this transformer. But the amplifier here is a 10-watt amplifier, so we have enough power for that. At the back, you have the connection for the speakers and for your auxiliary input. There is our power switch. So we're going to flip this to the back to look at the power switch. This whole box was built with plexiglass. So there's the power switch. You have the auxiliary input, the connection for the speakers, and then of course the power supply goes on through that point. Let's look at a little bit at the outs. So you have this phono plug for the auxiliary input. So we're gonna test it right now. So making this plexiglass, just buy plexiglass from any hardware store and cut it into the dimension of choice, and you are good to go. All right, thanks for joining us again. And this is the last video in the series. So let's test the microphone. So right now we're going to test the microphone. We're going to test this by plugging into, let's just call this channel 1 down here. All right, that's channel 1. We're testing it. You can see it's working properly. So let's lower the volume. All right, totally off. You can see that. All right, channel 1. Let's go to channel 2 and plug the microphone. Plug it to channel 2. We're gonna call that channel 2. And we're gonna lower the volume, and we're gonna increase it so it's up to 0. Then we're gonna increase it gradually until we get a max. Let's test the tone circuit here. We're taking off the treble, so just have bars. Have full bars. Right, so that's the bars right there, working as expected. Let's take off some of the bars and introduce some treble. Right, treble. And we take off all the bars. Right. So let's have a good mix of both. All right, you mix it to your satisfaction. Let's see the master volume. Where are we at here? Just a little bit above 0. So let's increase a little bit. All right. So we're gonna get acoustic sound, acoustic feedback. So we're gonna lower the volume. All right. Good job. So let's play some karaoke sound, and we'll call it a day. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Keep coming back for more videos. And yeah, thank you so much. Right, let's go into the karaoke sound now.
Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. This is the night of the dear Savior's birth.
All right, we're gonna talk to you all on that camera over there. Hi. Have you subscribed? What? Do it now. It's free. Completely free. Just hit that subscribe button. Thank you. It's not that hard. And share the video, right? Smash that notification bell so when I put another video out, you'll be one of the first to know. You're right. And I thank you for supporting us. Thank you for always coming back to this channel. And from next week, we're going to be switching gears to other things. We're going to go into a little bit of more programming, into some Arduino stuff, and we're going to be doing a lot of sensors. So maybe every week we do one sensor. We have about 50 something sensors to go through. So we're going to have one video every week to go through those sensors. We might do more than one a week, but we'll see how it goes. So remember to come back. We're going to be finishing our videos on some of the things we started earlier on, inverters and walkie-talkie circuit. So we're going to be finishing up some of the videos. So don't forget to come back to this channel, right? All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.